Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I am going to show you how I got this really nice red gloss. So I had to mix, you guys. I had to do some mixing. So as you can see, I have the today I started off a little bit different. I added in the oil first, the coconut oil, and then the actual flavoring, the food flavoring. And today we did a nice cherry scent. It smells so good. I wish I could show it to you guys. And then I mixed in the actual pigment. It's the maca pigment. So we chose the shade red because it was actually a customer's request. To me, this red was a little bit more on the pink side, so I decided to mix in some brown and some white, which you'll see a little bit later on, to get that perfect shade of red. And as you can see, when we started off the video, I did not realize that we did not turn on our light. So me and Janae had to turn on the light real quick. That's why you see the lighting got a little bit better, but I'm glad we noticed it before the end of the video. At this point, I'm just mixing in all of those ingredients together. There's no Versagel in this mixture right here. So what I've learned from some research and just wanting to try it out and see how I liked it is to do all the liquids first when you're dealing with the powder pigment, and then add in the Versagel. And right here, you just see me adding in a little bit of that white powder. I'm just mixing it in, and I'm going to add a little bit, and you'll see me mix and then add a little bit more because, like I said, this isn't the shade of red that I was going for. So in order to get the right shade, I decided to just add a little bit and mix, add a little bit and mix until it turned out the perfect red, as you'll see. I'm mixing in the brown right now just to give it that brown undertone. Overall, I actually really enjoyed doing it this way. Now, I did order a few of the liquid pigments, so I'm gonna really see if I like which one I like a little bit more. But you can see it's getting a little bit of a deeper red. It's still super vibrant, but that brown is really bringing it together to become that true cherry red that I'm looking for. Now we're going to go ahead and add in the Versagel. We're using the TKB Versagel. I actually really like this one. It's pretty thick, so you get actually a lot. It looks like a really tiny container, but there's a lot in there. There's a lot of product in there. Now, this is a smaller quantity that I usually will make at a time, but that's because I was making an actual collection. So I wasn't only going to make just reds, I was going to do red and green. I did not film myself doing the green, but you'll see that at the end. And it is time to fill the tubes. This is literally my favorite part of the whole process, is finally filling the tubes and seeing how beautiful it turns out with the actual packaging. Now that we're all done filling the tubes, we're going to go ahead and go back and just add on the caps. This collection was so much fun for me to make. I do plan on coming out with a couple of other Christmas collections, so keep a lookout for that. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to my mailing list so you can get all the updates whenever I come out with new products, which I actually just came out and launched my new lash collection. So definitely check it out at www.thelashTag702.com. The website will also be in the description box. Time for Janae's absolutely favorite part, the gloss bath. So here we're just using soap and water, and make sure it's an antibacterial soap so that it really gets all that gunk off really good. And here you can see that green I was talking about. So here's the Christmas collection. Some of them are solid and some have glitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.